Good morning. Okay, this is my pitcher, 2 bottles of water, my sea salt, 32 ounces of water. I know I should have already had the water in the pitcher. Don't want it to be too long. Me and my long videos. 32 ounces. I have 16.9 bottles, so it goes over a little bit. 2 teaspoons of sea salt. I use coarse, level, so it has to be just right. I normally don't put the sea salt in the pitcher. I normally pour the water back into the bottle. Okay, 32 ounces of water, 2 teaspoons of sea salt. I pour mine back into my bottles because it's easier to drink. So I'll pour this back in and I'll be drinking this and then I'll come back. Okay, I'm making my cleanse, my mixture. I have 48 ounces of water. I use 48 ounces of water because I put it in the bottles. It equals the amount that I need. It's 3/4 cups of lemon juice. This little juicer I have, it actually measures out to be the same, and 12 tablespoons of maple syrup, grade B, but I 6. Sometimes I do 4, sometimes I do less. And it normally takes 3 lemons, but like I explained, these lemons are big, so it filled it up with 2. Okie dokie. So it's a half a teaspoon of cayenne. I don't level mine because you don't have to. Okay. And the lemon juice, I'm just going to go ahead and measure the lemon juice. But I know that it equals. This is a half of thing, so I'm actually going to measure it halfway to the quarter cup. It equals, I don't have to measure it because I've done it before and I know that this is the exact amount. The exact amount. What I also do is, I like the pulp. It's still being there, as you can see. And I like that because it gives each, one some difference. And then this is my top to my juicer. I just go like that to get more pulp in it. It gives me something to chew on, actually. Okay, now you can actually do the syrup, and because when I first started this, I actually went through and I saw how much each thing was and what it meant, and I did tablespoons, teaspoons, cups, ounces, everything. I equaled it up. Okay, so I can't hold the camera and make the do the syrup, so I'm gonna put 6. You're supposed to use 12, but I want to reduce my weight, so I use half, sometimes less than half. Okay, so I'm gonna come back and show you after I pour it in the bottles. Well, I'm not gonna come back and show you after I pour it in the bottles. What I do is I make this little mixture. It's gonna look the same. I'm just gonna add some. It's gonna be a little browner. You'll see it throughout the day, and I put it into my 16.9 bottles, and I drink half every 2 hours. Okay, so I'm gonna do that, and I'll be back. Morning, this is me stepping on the scale. As you can see, 175.4.